Save up to 40% on your car insurance just by driving safely. No tricks, no catch, just instant savings for being a cautious driver. That's the promise behind Allstate's Drivewise program, a telematics-based system that tracks your habits behind the wheel and rewards safe behavior with lower rates. But with so many insurance companies offering similar tech, one question remains. Does Drivewise really save you money? Or is it just another digital way for your insurer to monitor you? I've been testing and comparing major insurance apps for years, from Progressive Snapshot to State Farm's Drive Safe and Save and Nationwide's Smart Ride. All of them claim to reward good driving, but not all deliver equally. For this review, I signed up for Allstate Drivewise, used it for over a month across highways, city commutes, and late-night trips. I analysed how it tracks, how much you actually save, and whether the trade-off in privacy is worth the discount. Allstate makes 3 bold promises with Drivewise. 1. Save up to 40% on your premiums. 2. Get rewarded, never punished, for your driving. 3. Access detailed feedback to help improve your habits. It sounds like a win-win, but how do these promises hold up once you hit the road? Setup and interface. Drivewise works either through the Allstate mobile app or a plug-in device that tracks driving behavior. The setup is fast and simple. After each trip, it shows your score based on braking, acceleration, speed, and time of day. Smooth trips boost your score, but sudden stops or quick turns lower it. However, in practice, normal city driving, like stopping hard for a pedestrian, can be flagged as aggressive. It's a smart system, but not perfect. Discounts in reality. While Allstate advertises up to 40% savings, most users, including myself, saw real discounts between 10% and 20%. The maximum is possible, but only if you maintain flawless driving for months with little to no late-night travel. Still, consistent safe driving brings small but steady reductions every renewal cycle. Tracking and reliability. GPS tracking is solid but not flawless. Occasionally the app misreads passenger trips or rideshare routes as your own. Fortunately, you can remove incorrect drives with one tap. It's user-friendly and fair in that sense. Privacy and data use. Drivewise collects detailed trip data, location, acceleration, braking, time, and distance. Allstate says this info is encrypted and only used to calculate discounts and provide insights. However, some drivers remain skeptical about constant monitoring. If you value privacy over savings, that's something to weigh. User experience. Many users enjoy seeing their driving score and learning how to improve, especially younger or new drivers. But for urban commuters dealing with heavy traffic, Drivewise can be more punishing than rewarding. Frequent stops, congested routes, and night driving often reduce scores unfairly. Highway drivers, on the other hand, tend to benefit the most. So, is Allstate Drivewise worth it in 2026? If you're a careful, consistent driver who rarely drives at night, absolutely. It's a genuine opportunity to lower your insurance costs and improve your habits. The app runs smoothly, provides helpful feedback, and encourages safer roads. But if you live in a busy city or drive unpredictable hours, the benefits shrink quickly. Drivewise won't magically slash your premium in half, but it's a solid low-effort bonus for responsible drivers. In short, Drivewise is not a miracle, but it's also not a gimmick. It's a smart, well-designed program that gives something back to drivers already doing the right thing. You won't get rich off the savings, but you'll likely become a safer, more aware driver in the process.